What is up, guys? First, I want to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed to me. 536 subscribers. That's pretty cool. I really started this as just a way to share information with my close family and friends who are truthers wanting to find out more information about this stuff. Hadn't put a video out in a couple weeks. I'll try to do better with that. Not that things haven't been going on. There's been plenty going on, from NASA announcing a second moon that apparently has been here for a while. Them saying there may be not just Planet 9, but maybe Planet 10. I've been following it pretty close, but what I wanted to look at today a little bit, spend a little time on these FAA cams. Anybody can go there. There's your web link. Pretty cool page, because all of these are pretty good cams that you can check out, and they've been showing some really amazing footage. These blue cameras, you can look at these also. Some of them are not the best quality, but these green ones are pretty good. Just for example, let's just check this one. Look at this one in the north. You can click on that there. It'll show you down here what direction you're looking in on the north camera. And then if you just want to click on the loop right here, you can press play and then stop if you like. I like to do it like this so I can scroll through. You can check out these images. I spent a couple hours. Whoa, look at there. That looks an awful lot like what I've seen on a Steve Dwyer video. If that's not the blue Kachina and the red Kachina, I don't know what is. That freaks me out a little bit. Only there for a couple screens though. You can see it move. We're looking at Alaska time. I guess that's 10 o'clock at night. 10:21. 10:22. And then they skip 12 minutes. How about that? Interesting. Scroll through the rest of them real quick. That last one's pretty interesting too. Again, you can see that blue light. It's almost midnight there. Very, very lit up, and like we just showed, that's facing north. The direction I would expect to see it after the sun had went down, according to my last videos. Anyway, I'm getting distracted here. The ones I spent a little time looking at today were, first of all, this one. This is Beaver Southwest. You can go over here and see where these things are located. Go to the site list. Beaver Southwest. So that's the direction we're going to look at. These are from earlier in the day. These are not live right now. Let's see what we got here. This was about 6 in the afternoon Alaska time. Let's go. Pretty much the same thing that you've been seeing on these camps from other people. As the sun starts to come into the frame here, watch. There it is. lights up with the reflection of our sun, and it's not stationary. You can see it's moving from left to right, so it's not a scratch on the lens. And you can also see other features as this thing moves across through time. Um, a lens flare, maybe, or I think it might quite possibly be a moon. If you notice it another shows up here, but this one looks like it doesn't really follow the sun in a straight line. It looks like it turns around to like it's almost orbiting this other object. Interesting. These are pictures of the same thing that I've been seeing for months. Um, One of the reasons I haven't been on here as much, I've really been trying to get ready, try to get some things together in case this thing starts happening soon. Another cam, Minto, Southwest. We're looking at a little before 1 o'clock Alaska time. You can see the sun rays starting to come down into the camera view. We can start it back at 10 afternoon. And let's see here. See it? There it is. And what else I found interesting on this guy is there's that moon again, or what I believe is a moon. And again, it orbits like it goes around the backside and disappears. Also, you cannot see that anymore either. Inconveniently, here come the clouds. The third one was living good. This I'm gonna start around 2 here, and let's move forward. Oh, there we go again. Again, southwest 203 degrees, and conveniently, here come those damn clouds. And we'll move over here to the Barrow Southwest Cam, 230 degrees, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and here we go. There's that flare reflection that we see every time, and you could barely faintly see this thing. Let's see if I missed it that time. Right in here. You can just barely see the edges defined on this one. Again, 229 degrees. It says to the southwest again. This one doesn't have much to show, but again, I did find it interesting. First of all, just let this one play. That they don't have near as many frames here. That red object is there, and you can make out some other orbs or something going on there. same direction, same time, generally, um, we can pretty much draw the conclusion that it's the same thing going on. Um, Anybody can come here, join our conversation at our Facebook page. Um, Again, I haven't been super active. We try to post some updates, have some good talks. Let me do one more thing here, just for the heck of it. This Beaver Southwest cam. Let's see what it looks like now. Mm-hmm. Site list. Beaver Southwest. Now this is just after we left off on the other one, which was here. I remember it's here. And you can see it move across the sky all the way to 8:05. And looks like these start at just about the same time. Let's see what we see here. It's another red orb. That was interesting. Look at this red cloud just appear here from 8:25 to 8:35. Is that a dust trail, maybe? What are these guys? A lot going on in this picture. Let's see here. Look at this. Look at these. There's the big object again. Let's go for the frame. Again, that if that is a debris trail, a dust trail, it's you can see more of it stretched out. It's kind of wild there. Let's check out one of these other ones now that it's in Minto. Also, while I'm looking for this thing, I'm going to say congratulations to the United Kingdom getting out of the EU. Uh, you know, I sit here and listen to people on different Facebook, different websites, and TV commentators, politicians who who act like it is going to be the end of the world and the worst thing they could do to get out of an unelected corporate crony society that I don't know. I don't want to get onto that. Maybe I'll start making some videos on that kind of stuff. Um, I have a whole lot more knowledge, New World Order kind of stuff than I do this. Again, let's see. This was Minto. It ended at 8:02, and it was facing to the southwest. Let's check it out. Okay, let's move it to the north. Let's see if we can catch it on a northern facing camera. Doing this live. Sorry if there's any downtime and maybe turning this off, but I haven't made a video in a while. We're going to play with it here. So if it was southwest, it moved left to right. Then it's going to be moving to the northwest. comes the sun. Not sure what to say about that. Look at that again. Interesting. Um, I don't know, guys. Get on here, take a look around, play with this site. Again, thank you everybody that's subscribed to my channel. It's kind of thrown together. I'm no professional editor by any means. I don't edit anything. Anybody who watches these videos knows. Uh, any of you guys who aren't prepared, go out, start getting some basic supplies, food, water, protection for sure. If this thing keeps progressing like it has over the last few months, we're going to see some crazy things. I'm here in South Georgia. The last 2 weeks have been hotter. We've had more super hot days the last 2 weeks than we have the last 6 to 10 years combined. And it's only June. It is crazy how hot it has been here. Uh, there's got to be a reason for that, and it's not fossil fuels. Um, if it keeps progressing like this, things are going to go downhill. People are going to be crazy. Be ready to protect your family, to provide for them. You don't need a lot of money to go get your basics. Have a plan, get it in place, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay safe.